Most people would like to develop at least one good habit or quit a bad one. Creating healthy habits helps with mental health and well-being. A simple plan can be used to develop and maintain good habits and avoid reverting to old undesirable habits. Habits are things that are familiar to you and that you repeat frequently without even realizing it. There are good habits and bad habits. Good habits include healthy diet and exercise, healthy sleep habits, healthy relationships, assertive communication, work-life balance, time management, stress management, and relaxation and mindfulness. It's difficult to change everything at once. It's easier to set small goals and achieve them. This will help you develop good habits. For example, it is easier to get some exercise every day than to decide to run a marathon. It can take months to develop new habits. This should incorporate the changes into its normal routine. A journal, print or online, or wall planner can help. Many habits are caused by events. For example, hand washing is triggered by going to the toilet. It is helpful to set triggers for new habits as part of an existing routine. This could be a specific time of day or an event such as getting up or having lunch. Setting reminders helps you maintain good habits. If you use an online diary, set automatic reminders on your computer and phone. There are also apps to help you set goals and new habits. Family and friends can also be a great support and help keep you motivated. Don't give up when you fall back into old habits. Think about why you wanted to change. Write down what triggers your bad habits. Think about when and will you eat to avoid eating junk food. So if you buy chips from a machine at work, try to bypass that machine. If you smoke on the front stairs of office, please check to see if you have access to a different entrance. If you can't avoid vending machines, buy something healthy instead. If you can't avoid the step, chew sugarless gum instead. A healthy habit tool. And here is how. Set goals. Choose one simple action you can take every day. Plan when and where to take an action. Choose a time and place to meet each day of the week. Congratulate yourself when you find yourself taking action. Furthermore, it will get easier and within 10 weeks you should be able to do it without a second thought. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel for other healthy tips videos that you love.